The benefit of using Viconic throughout the industry would be primarily that it's easy to install.
The ease of installation in both new construction as well as existing projects is something that you also can't overlook and that has to be prioritized.
Viconic staff worked with our typical flooring installer. We did both bedrooms and bathrooms in these 3 studio units in a memory care. And they worked with them to troubleshoot any crumbling chip creak when the carpet came up and any other, transitional issues that they had from one flooring to another, because it was a retrofit into an existing building. It was a great collaboration. Our regular flooring guy really enjoyed working with Viconic, got very excited about the product.
Turnaround time for installation with the flooring over it can happen in about 2 days or less.
We have a really, really good flooring installer, so we trusted the whole process. Like, they'll be able to figure this out as an underlayment, and that is exactly how it went real well.
The general contractor is a little bit concerned about the threshold differential, but Viconic offers a nice threshold ramp, and every question that the sub or the GC came up with, Viconic had an answer for. So yeah, it went very smoothly.
We feel the installation is a benefit because, one, it's the structure of the Viconic panels. We have a product called Design on a Pallet. So we try to encourage folks to design features for safety for aging in place that could fit on a pallet because it's manageable. What's great about the panel feature and how they've actually improved upon that is it can arrive in the home literally on a pallet and with some basic knowledge of an installer, virtually anyone can actually install it.
You have multiple options with many manufacturers of both resilient and carpeted flooring to fit any aesthetic need.
One of the benefits I really see in the system is its flexibility. And, we as a design team are coming in with our ideas. And so this being sort of invisible layer to the process is really what we value.
A maintenance worker at your facility could take and install this product and put whatever floor surface you would like to have on top of the product.
It's a high-tech structure, but it's not a high-tech installation. It's very straightforward. The way the tabs lay over the panels makes it just as easy, if not easier, to install than vinyl flooring.
Anyone who has watched the Viconic installation video would have no problem installing it into their own space.